Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this step ladder, and the manufacturer was nice enough to send it over to us for us to check out. First things first, look at that. One finger and I'm able to carry this. And this has a 330 pound capacity. So that's really cool. Let's go ahead, open this up here really quick. You just do that by pulling it apart and then push down on it to make sure it's locked in place. I'll go ahead and step up on this. Like I said, 330 pound capacity. I weigh about, I just reviewed a smart scale. I weigh 281.3 pounds. So we'll go ahead and climb on this. Make sure it don't hit my head. And boom, there we go. Holds me. So yeah, overall, this thing is super cool. Like I said, really lightweight, really strong, really compact. Look at that. You could just slide this underneath of a sofa, something like that. I think we'll probably keep it here in the office right there. So if you are in need of a step ladder that's tiny, portable, strong, lightweight, go ahead and check this one out.